that it's a minimum that every project manager should know about MS Project. What I'm going to do here, so I'm going to start a project and I'm going to show you some interesting stuff that you can get from a MS Project, and that's really some knowledge that you should have there. So I'm going to start a project to build a house. That house, the project should have should be a house with 150 square meters and with a pool. So in the screen here, you can see a blank file for my MS project. I'm going to start with you from scratch. Then I'm going to start a blank file here, as you can see in the screen. Then I'm going to put here the name of the project that I'm going to use. Then it will be a house, 150 square meters with a pool and furnished kitchen. So to make this a bit easier, I'm going to copy part of a WBS that I already have here. Then I'm going to paste here. This is just a basic structure from a WBS, huh? So don't worry that. Then basically the way I'm organizing my WBS, I'm organizing in 3 different levels. I'm organizing in engineering, procurement, and construction. Let me just make this. So you see here that everything is the same level. One of the things that I use to see what's the level of the WBS, let me add here. You can click in insert column, and you can use WBS, and you see the WBS numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Why I like to see that? Because it makes easier a bit to understand which level of the WBS you are working on. Different levels of WBS, for example, the house, it can be level 1 or level 0. In this case, it's level 1, and everything that happens, it's inside of that. For example, if I would select all those questions here, all those lines here, and I would click here, you see this button, this arrow here, indent tasks. That means that I'm putting all those tasks, engineering, procurement, and construction inside of the house, which it's what I want. So you see here WBS number 1, then you see another numbering for the other parts. So, but I have the second level of my WBS, I decided to divide engineering, procurement, and construction. Then that means that all these items that are not bold here, they need to go inside of one level below that. How I do that? I do in the same way. Just select the lines here on the MS project and put indent task. And you see here also the levels in the WBS changing. So 1, 1.1, 1.1.1, and so on. I'm going to do this for all the tasks that we have here. So here you have a basic structure.